Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to construct polygons of the given measures. Okay, for example, here we have been asked to construct a triangle, the simplest polygon triangle, which should have these measures. So whenever you have to construct any polygon of some specified measures, the very first step is to draw the dummy. Okay, what is dummy? See, I'll tell you what is the dummy. You have to randomly draw a triangle, as the question asked us to draw a triangle, and its name is ABC, so name it ABC, and then also label it with the measures which are required. So this is 4, BC is 6, and this is your 30 degree. So this is called your dummy. Why should we draw dummy? Because dummy helps us to decide the path of action, that how should we start constructing the triangle. We cannot randomly start constructing a triangle. Okay, for example, if we start constructing like this, AB should be 4 centimeter, and we keep a scale and draw AB equals to 4 centimeter like this. So we have A and B in the scene. We have to find out C, and C is 6 centimeter away from B. Okay, so if 6 centimeter away from B, let's open this compass to be 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. Now, so C is 6 centimeter away from B. So there are many points which are 6 centimeter away from B. Infinitely many points. In fact, a whole circle. There are many points which are 6. So which one is C? Okay, we can look it by scale also. This point is 6 centimeter. If you move, this is also 6. So how to keep it? So we cannot randomly keep it, because if we randomly keep it, suppose I have randomly kept it like this. Okay, this is 6. Suppose I took this point. Now I've got here my C. So now here, all 3 points are here. So I joined. I've got AB 4, BC as 6. But this angle C, which is to be 30, pata nahi hoga ki nahi, because we randomly chose it. It could be any. If I chose some other point, the angle would be something else. But in our construction, we have to specifically choose it as 30 degree. Okay. Let us see whether this angle is 30 degree or not. So this angle here is not 30 degree. It's starting from here, it's more than 40. Okay. So how to get a triangle in a one shot? Dummy helps us. Dummy helps us to plan the path of action. How come? See, we randomly chose this, which we should never do. Okay. So what should we do? We got stuck here. Which point is to be taken? So specifically, how should we start? We should decide the plan of action in the dummy only. If we draw AB equals 4, we'll get stuck up with this 6 centimeter. Moreover, 30 is to be drawn on C. So C to hai hi nahi scene mein. So how to draw C equals to 30 degree? If we start with BC equals to 6 centimeter, which you should always, wherever the angle is made, that side has to be drawn first. BC is equals to 6 centimeter, and then you draw 30 degree on C, so you'll get a direction. Okay, let's start this. Here we have to draw BC equals to 6. That doesn't mean you have to draw it like this. You can draw it like this also. BC is equals to 6. So I've taken 2 points, 0 and 6. Add 0 and 6. Now I got BC is equals to 6 centimeter. Then at point C, I have to make 30 degree. Okay, so here is my point C. Let's make 30 degree here. So this is 30 degree. Let's join it now. Angle always gives you the direction. It's not giving us, as we drew BC and then I drew 30 degree here. It's telling us that A is in the direction of 30 degree, but where it is, we don't know. Okay, so A is somewhere on this line. How to fix it up? That A is at a distance of 4 centimeter from B. Okay, so from B you have to find out a distance which is 4 centimeter. We'll open it to be 4 centimeter, and then again there are many points which are 4 centimeter, but we are interested on that which lies in the direction of 30 degree, which is this, the intersection point of the angle and the arc. So So we are able to generate a triangle with the specified measure. We have BC equals to 6 centimeter. We drew it 6 centimeter. We have angle C equals to 30 degree. We drew it 30 degree. Similarly, we have BA equals to 4 centimeter. We drew it. So we are able to construct a polygon with the specified measures. So what's important, whenever you have been given to construct a polygon with the specified measures, the very first step is to draw the dummy and then decide the path of action. Okay, and what's to be noted down here, that the side which has angle on it is to be drawn very first. It works in most of the cases.